Hi, I'm Bud Churchward. I'm author and creator of the Honor Level system, and today I'd like to show you how you can set up your computer so that other users in your building can view and access the data that you've been entering into your program. Before you can do this, you will need your network people to set up a folder that all of you will have complete and total access on one of your network drives. Each of you software that's going to want to create files, rename files, delete files. So if they give you any restrictions at all, you're bound to see some errors and the program may not function exactly the way you want. But let's assume that you have those privileges and that network is ready to go for you. You begin by launching the program. As you can see on the home screen, everything looks normal. We'll click on the Utilities button on the far right, and on the screen that appears here, select the button that says Sharing Setup. A yellow window will appear. Here you would go in and select the drive that they have told you to use for your sharing. Now, they didn't set a folder up here for me. I'll do it right now. I'm going to click the button that says New Folder, and I'll enter a name for the folder at this time. I'm just going to call this one HLS Sharing, and I'll click OK. Now that folder appears in my window here under the H drive. Next, I will click Set Sharing Path. A message appears that wants me to proceed with caution. Well, we're just going to go ahead and do this because we're setting sharing up for the first time. There aren't any settings that we would probably change. So I'll click Yes. Now it's asking me to enter a name for this station. We do this so that if you have more than one person who might enter data during the day, that person can see whether or not you're already using the program to enter data, and it'll warn them that you're doing that. So I'll just put in my name Bud here right now, and then if anybody else wants to be a publisher when I'm a publisher, they'll know that I'm on and doing my work. So I'll click OK. Finally, it says the publish path has been written. I'll click OK here, and then in the upper corner of the screen, you'll see some green and yellow stripes. These stripes indicate that the data is actually being published. So now it's there and ready for other people to use. I'll close this program right now, and I'll show you something here. When we relaunch it, it publishes again every time you close. And when we relaunch the program, you'll see that the word publisher appears next to your school name. That's how you set up sharing.